Can you believe it's a decade since we first saw the Nissan JUKE? At the time this car was launched, it gained a lot of attention for its quirky styling and fun-loving character. Ahead of its Australian launch, Carsales is giving you a sneak preview of what the second generation has in store. Frank, thanks for joining us. Now, we can't talk about the new Nissan JUKE without talking about exterior styling. Tell me what's changed.
So the exterior styling of the car has changed significantly from its predecessor. The car is longer, wider and higher. Full LED lighting is standard. It retains its unique circular headlamps, but now with a signature Y-shape insert. We're introducing a 4-grade strategy, the ST, the ST Plus, the STL and the range-topping TI as we have here today.
So what about the rumours of a bit more tech under the bonnet?
The rumours are correct. The car will feature a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged engine. Power is driven to the front wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch transmission that can be adjusted through standard paddle shifters that are steering wheel mounted. Utilising stop-start technology, the all-new JUKE delivers an impressive 5.8 litres per 100 kilometres, making it one of the segment's most fuel-efficient SUVs.
Entry-level JUKEs get 17-inch alloys, while mid and higher spec variants step up to 19s. And a bigger footprint means broader appeal for this compact SUV.
The all-new JUKE will now comfortably fit a pram in the rear or 2 large suitcases, so this will now appeal to small families or even downsizers. Also, thanks to its longer wheelbase and lower rear floor, rear seat room is now 58 mils deeper and rear headroom is now 11 mils higher.
It's quite obvious the outside of the JUKE has changed, but tell me about the interior changes.
The all-new JUKE has a completely new interior that offers premium style, quality and comfort. From the new monoform quilted leather seats with Alcantara seat trim to the dimmable ambient lighting in the doors and the centre console. You'll also notice a 7-inch TFT meter that puts all the information right where you need it. Whether it's a digital speedometer with traffic sign recognition, or the active safety, or even a turn-by-turn navigation, the information is right there. Unique to the JUKE and one of the most impressive features is the new Bose Personal Plus audio, which has 2 sets of speakers in the front driver seats. This provides a high-quality audio experience with a 360-degree immersive sound. Safety isn't an optional extra when it comes to the JUKE. It has earned its 5-star ANCAP safety rating and has an extensive list of Nissan Intelligent Mobility as standard.
And Nissan hasn't forgot connectivity. Apple CarPlay?
It features an 8-inch colour touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard across the range.
The new Nissan JUKE will be in showrooms from early June and is expected to be priced from under $30,000. Check back soon for our local launch review.